Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take off the battery cover, take the top of the cover and pull it upwards, carefully. Do the same with the other side of the cover. Pull up the fastening latch of the plus terminal to disconnect it. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, loosen the lock nut on the minus terminal. Once free, but without totally unscrewing them, disconnect it. The calculator stops you from accessing the battery holding system. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. Using a large flathead screwdriver, lever the plastic holding spurs, all while pulling the battery upwards to free it. Once the left-hand side is free, or while continuing to pull upwards, push on the tab on the right of the battery so you can pull it off fully. Sand the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. To put the battery back in, incline it to the left, all while inserting it onto the holding spurs of the battery box. Once in place, push downwards on the battery to clip and position it correctly in its housing. Take off the plastic protection of the new battery and place the positive terminal back in position. You can now flip the fastening latch downwards. Use a socket wrench and an 8mm socket to put the negative terminal back in place. Ensure that both terminals have been inserted properly. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Put the back of the battery cover in place first. Ensure it is clipped in properly by using the little spurs on the base. Then, repeat the process for the front of the cover. Operation completed.